জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Dad,
Yes?
Dad, I'm going in search of
No, no.
Trinani.
Where will you look for her?
I think she has gone to Mohanpur bus stand.
No, why will she go there? What will she go there for?
Dad, I don't know that. You have to go home now. No. Taxi!
Hey, Dipu, Dipu,
Dad, please.
listen to me. I'll come with you. You'll see
Dad,
that.
you're not well. Listen to me. Come with me. Come on.
just
Please listen to me. You come.
Listen
Come
to
with
me,
me.
Dipu.
Come on.
Dipu, listen.
Dad, come.
No.
I
Listen
said
to me,
come
Dipu,
with me.
first.
No, I won't listen.
Listen to me.
Dad, I don't want to listen to anything. I faced many problems because of that girl. I don't want any more problems.
No,
Please
no.
get in the car.
Please let me come
No,
along, Dipu.
Dad, go carefully. Hey, please careful. I'll inform you if I get any news. You go carefully. Yeah.
He has gone to Mohanpur bus stand.
You told him the name of the place?
Mohanpur bus stand.
Hey! Don't spare any of them. Hey! Leave! Kana Gopal's minion, you are spreading hooliganism. Now watch how I teach you a lesson. Come on, move. Come on, come on,
Come on.
move.
Come on.
Come. I'll not
Come on,
leave
move.
people. No, I tell you. I'll tell you. Hold him. Take him to the police station.
Sir, you are not coming with
No,
us.
no. I cannot go now. The number of gang members of Kana Gopal and Raju is not less. If they come back, it'll be a problem.
Yes, you understood, sir. Have you noticed this? How quiet the surrounding is. This is the calm before the storm. How everything will burn. Everything.
Everything will burn. Really? I'll tell you, I know very well how to extinguish a fire.
And you are talking too much. I also know how to shut your mouth.
You will understand that after some time.
Take him away. Hey, they are too audacious. Take all of them away.
Come, let's go.
Go!
Come.
Go!
Come.
We have to arrest Gopal and Raju at any cost. I'll charge them with such a case that they'll be jailed for 5 years. Go and take out all their old files.
Okay, sir. But, sir, is it right to leave you here alone?
Nothing will happen. Let me see. How calm is it before the storm? You may go now.
Okay, sir.
Lotus, by your grace, I got this ambulance. Now once I get to Mohanpur bus stand, I promise I won't let any danger befall the inspector.
Mister, where is Mohanpur bus stand? Straight?
Just right across the road.
It won't take long, will it? Okay.
Can you drive faster, sir? Actually, I don't have much time.
Are you in a hurry? I get it. That's why you're running like this, right? Don't worry, my child. No other vehicle can go faster than an ambulance. You'll see. You'll reach there in a blink of an eye.
That's Tripto's car. He's going to Mohanpur bus stand. No. I have to get there before him at any cost. Sir, I have to reach Mohanpur bus stand before that car. Please drive fast. I won't let Tripto be anywhere near the inspector's jeep when it catches fire. Sir, that car. I need to get there before that car.
Okay. Don't worry, my child. We will get there before that car.
Oh, Lourdes. I hope I can get there before the accident takes place. Help me, Lourdes. Help me.
Seems everyone has fled. I can't see anyone around. It means the situation is under control for now. Okay. Let me make an arrangement for the goons we have arrested. Then I'll see what to do with Gopal and Raj.
That inspector has arrested our men. He's acting too smart these days. Let him go from here now. Then we'll show them if the peace has been restored. He dared to mess with us. I will teach him a lesson. Go and get the bomb.
Yes, I'm going.
They started again. Hey, take the car back.
Will you go there again between the bombing, sir?
Do as I said, take the car back.
Sha la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, sha la 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 la. Hey Rangana, listen.
Yes?
Please get me some tea. You know what? Making tea is also an art.
Uncle, I don't know art. I can simply make some tea for you.
Okay, make some tea. Get some nice snacks along.
Okay.
Tra la 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 la, sha la 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 la, tra la 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 la, la la la, tra la
Hey,
la la la.
What's the matter? Vivek? You said you had some important work. You were so desperate to go, and now you are sitting relaxed and singing. What's the matter? Tell me what's the matter.
No, Aunt. All of you stopped me so many times, so that's why I didn't go. Since I didn't go.
Hey, Vicky! Vicky, please come here. I'm not able to get through to Deepu. Try to call him using your phone. What's going
Yes,
on?
tell me.
The call is getting disconnected. You are overdoing it. Don't overact. You were tense a while ago. Now you are so relaxed. Won't they become suspicious? They'll understand that since Trinani didn't complain against us, you are relieved. Foolish guy.
Uncle? Here you go. Tea is ready. See how much milk you'd prefer?
Thank you.
What is this? Topa? What happened to you? Where is Trinani?
Trinani is not at the police station. She fled from there.
What? She's so dangerous.
Where is Deepu?
Deepu has gone in search for Trinani to Mohanpur bus stand.
What happened, Topo? Are you feeling unwell? Where did the girl go? Will Dripto be able to find her? If he doesn't find her, how will he take her to the village?
Don't worry. We are almost there. We will reach soon.
Dripto's car is left behind. If I reach before him, I won't let Dripto get into trouble. Oh, Lourdes! Good Lord! Towards whom is the bottle going? It was Dripto. What did I see? What did you show me, Lourdes?
There it is. We have reached Mohanpur bus stand.
Stop the ambulance! Stop it! Stop it fast! Inspector!
What's this? What is this girl doing here amidst bombings? Hey, you go away from here! Just go away! What are you doing here?
Why is there a traffic jam? I hope I don't lose Trinani.
Inspector, move away! Inspector!
Please go away! What are you doing here?
Inspector, move away! Inspector, move away from the jeep!
Why have you come here? Go away!
away!
Go away! Please go away
Move
from
away
here!
from the jeep, Inspector! 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 Open your eyes, Inspector! Lourdes, please don't let anything happen to him. Please don't let him be harmed. Inspector! 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 Inspector, open your eyes, Inspector! Oh, Lourdes, he isn't opening his eyes.
He isn't opening his eyes. Inspector? Are you okay? Did you get hurt? Did you see that? Look how the jeep is burning. You didn't believe me, right? And came here. There could have been a disaster. Anyway, Lourdes has saved you today. Thank Lord.
How did you know that the jeep will burn down? That means, can you really? You must run away from here immediately. The situation is getting worse here. Media? How did the media get here? Oh Lord!
I can't get through to Deepu. This Trinani is so shrewd. Will he find her?
He will. Dripto will drop her off at her native place. Why don't you sit down and relax for a while?
I can't relax in such a situation. Until Deepu returns home after dropping the girl home, I can't be at peace.
Oof. Please relax. Get some rest. You always stress yourself out.
I will go. What are you, uncle?
What? I'm a human being.
You are inhuman. My friend cannot be found and you are relaxing and watching TV.
Oh, no, Rangana. You're just misunderstanding me. You got me wrong. I'm very worried.
Are you really worried?
Of course. Since I'm worried, I'm trying to distract myself by watching television. And you know what? When I'm worried, I feel very hungry.
Huh?
Yes, I'm hungry now, Please get some hot food for me.
I'll get that. But will you pray for my friend?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Rangana? Call Deepu and see if you can reach him on the phone. I tried calling him many times, but I couldn't get through to him. Lord knows if he found Trinani at Mohanpur bus stand.
Yes, father. I will call him right away. I am going.
I've been trying to call Deepu too, but I can't get through. Lord knows what happened.
It is really so strange, Sanjukta. We are thinking about the same thing, but our purposes are different. You are thinking if Deepu will be able to find Trinani and take her back to the village home. And I'm thinking if Deepu will find her and think of bringing her back to this house.
No, he won't. That girl will never set foot in this house.
How are you so sure about that?
I'm sure for a reason. Deepu has promised me on the phone that he will come back home only after dropping her home. And I know my son. I hope you know my son doesn't break the promises. That's why I'm sure.
Don't be so sure, Sanjukta. We don't know how destiny works. We can't control destiny. In fact, destiny controls us. Everything is predestined, Sanjukta. Did you ever imagine that Trinani would come into Deepu's life? You didn't, right? That's why you don't decide what destiny has in store for Deepu and Trinani.
Leave that to me. I'm confident about my son.
Deepu was also confident about his mother.
What do you mean?
I mean, little Deepu always held Kalpana tightly while sleeping.
And Kalpana used to tell him, "What will you do when I'm not with you?" Deepu would confidently say, "No way, you will never leave me and go anywhere. I know." Although Kalpana broke Deepu's confidence and went far away from here. That's why I'm saying, don't be so confident about the future. You can't be sure that Deepu won't break your confidence.
Why is there a traffic
What?
jam here?
You don't know? There is a fight going on between two gangs at Mohanpur bus stand. I don't think the traffic will clear anytime sooner. The police vehicle is not able to go. Forget about us.
What? There is a fight going on there. What do I do now? It means Trinayani is stuck there. Will it be right to go there in this situation?